Are you ready for the biggest change to job requirements in 2025? AI skills are no longer optional. They're critical for landing the best roles, higher salaries, and career security in every industry. 1. Prompt engineering. Becoming fluent in prompt engineering, writing effective instructions for AI tools, is one of the fastest-growing career boosters. It's used in content creation, customer service, research, marketing, and even product design. 2. Machine learning and deep learning understanding. Core machine learning and deep learning principles, including supervised learning, neural networks, and frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow, is now essential for building apps, analytics, and automation. 3. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP helps power chatbots, voice assistants, and sentiment analysis. Features now in demand for everything from customer support to global business expansion. 4. Data analytics and visualization. Employers want people who can turn raw data into insights, stories, and decisions. Familiarity with tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even strong Python and R skills are key for this. 5. Computer vision and generative AI. Whether it's transforming media, diagnosing diseases, or automating production, skills in computer vision and generative AI are reshaping creative and technical jobs alike. 6. AI. Ethics and responsible AI. With AI touching more people and organizations, the importance of ethical use, bias reduction, and explainability can't be overstated. Businesses need talent who can help make AI trustworthy and reliable.